everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to send money to an ICE detainee using Western Union. So for step number 1, you just have to open the Western Union application, or you can also go to westernunion.com and sign in to your account. Now from there, just tap on the send money and select the option to send to a person in US, custody, or detention. Next step is enter the detainee's full legal name and their A number, which is alien registration number. And then enter the amount that you would like to send, and then choose your payment method, so it can be bank, card, or cash. And lastly is you just have to review all the details carefully and then tap on confirm to complete the money transfer. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!